Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, we're going to be talking about how to spot a gold digger. I myself have been called a gold digger here on this very channel, all for talking about chivalry. So imagine if I was talking about how to get a guy to spend money on you, and that should probably be the next video. So look out for that. For this one, how to tell if she is a gold digger. First things first, how to tell if she's a gold digger. If on the first time you guys meet, this is your first date. Let's say this is your first date, right? The first thing she mentions is, oh my gosh, I don't have any money for my rent. I don't have any money for my light bill. Or let's say before the date even begins, she's like, oh, I need money for the babysitter. She's asking you for money right off the bat. She's digging for gold, okay? That should be your very first red flag. That should be the most obvious one. She's not looking for any type of deep emotional connection with you. She's just looking for gold. Second way to spot a gold digger, if at first conversation or at first glance or the first time you two are speaking or whatever the case is, she seems very uninterested in you. But as soon as you take either your phone out, or she sees your watch, or she sees your car, then her ears start to perk up, and then she begins to show you some type of interest. She is digging for gold. She wasn't interested in you when you were talking about art or politics or whatever the case is. She wasn't interested in you when you only had on jeans and a t-shirt and you were probably in the gas station or something. But the moment she saw the Rolex on your wrist, the moment she saw the Benz at the gas pump, the moment she looked down and saw your shoes, whatever, and that's when she started to act interested in you, she is digging for gold. Another way to spot a gold digger, and this one is kind of, you know, it's the company that she keeps and the things that she posts on social media. This one is kind of touchy because, you know the saying, birds of a feather flock together. It has some truth to it, but then you have some girls who people just gravitate towards, and some people just so happen to have a bunch of different types of friends, right? But there are a few who, if one or two are digging for gold, I promise you her friend is probably digging for gold as well. The things that she posts on social media. Now, I may fall victim to this as well. I may be seen as gold diggerish on social media, but it's fun to post like that. You have to remember, I'm influential to the people. But if she's posting like, okay, who wants to pay my bills this week? Who wants to do this for me? Who wants to do that for me? Who wants to take me on this date? Who wants to do this? Da 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 da. If she constantly complains about men not doing enough for her financially, if she, little things like that, she's digging for gold. If she's looking for a deep, meaningful relationship, the last thing she's going to be posting about is money. The last thing she's going to be posting about is wanting bills paid. Okay, so pay attention to those things. Those are the 3 red flags. Those are the 3 signs to look for when spotting a gold digger. If on the first date or right before the date or while you guys are in the talking phase, she brings up asking you to pay a light bill, or asking you for $40, or asking you to pay her rent for the month, or asking you to, did I already say pay the babysitter for the dates? If she's asking for any of these things right off the bat, within the first month, 2 months, 3 months of you two just talking and getting to know each other, she is digging for gold. She's looking for someone who is going to finance her life. Okay? The second way to spot one is if at first meeting, the first time you ever seen this person in your life, she's walking past you, you find her attractive, you decide to strike up a conversation, and she's not interested until she sees something of value on you. She is digging for gold. If you weren't interested then, why are you interested now? Because she is digging for gold. And these things that I'm telling you are common sense. Okay, so I'm gonna title this video Common Sense, Top 3 Common Sense Ways to Spot a Gold Digger. That's a very long title, but that's what we're going with. Okay, and then the third one is going to be the company that she keeps and her social media postings. All right, if all her friends are gold diggers, it's about to rub off. All right, and that's not 100% of the time. Let me just throw that out there. That's not okay, because a girl can have like friends who are hoes and she not be a hoe. She just has friends who are hoes. So it's not 100% of the time, but this is one of them. For friends dig for gold, more than likely she digs for gold. If she's posting certain things on social media about wanting her bills paid, wanting this done for her financially, she is digging for gold. All right. If you have any more gold digger tips for the people out there, leave them in the comment section below. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. If you feel like I should have mentioned something that I did not mention, please leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.